హాయ్ ఉపాసన.
హాయ్.
ఉపాసన, తాతగారికి నలుగురు ఆడపిల్లలు. మీ తాతగారికి నలుగురు ఆడపిల్లల్ని ఆ రోజుల్లో ఆడపిల్లల వీళ్ళేం చేస్తారు, ఇంత పెద్ద హాస్పిటల్ని వీళ్ళు రన్ చేయగలుగుతారా అని చాలామంది అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 10 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత అయితే
Tata doesn't differentiate, and nobody in my family or anyone differentiates between women and men. It's just the same. Everyone does the same work. And Tata looked at his 4 daughters as 4 sons. Or bigger than sons, and that's what they've done. And the beauty about the sisters is, if they were normally, if they're brother or sister, there's a different, source. There's a different relationship. But here they're all so thick, and they made sure, and that's Amama's all her doing, because she kept the family together. Tata said, you have to grow. Amama said, the family is first. That's why we are not a business family, but a family business.
అపోలో హాస్పిటల్ చైన్ ఆఫ్ హాస్పిటల్స్, ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ యాజ్ అ హాస్పిటల్, బేసికలీ మెడికల్ కేర్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు. బట్ తర్వాత రకరకాలవి ఆపరేషన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, లైక్ చైల్డ్ కేర్, విమెన్ కేర్, వెల్నెస్.
Yes, see, all this is very important, because we have to be adaptable for the new age. And year on year we are seeing new things in the healthcare, in changes in healthcare, which are so important for us. It's all because of our lifestyles. Tomorrow more and more problems are coming up. I'm very sure, in fact I'm itself starting it. I'm starting sleep clinics. I'm sure it's already there, because now sleep has become a problem for a lot of people. I'm an insomniac. I have to try and cut off from the world and try and sleep. Yeah, it's crazy.
అంటే ఏ టైంకి పడుకుంటారు, ఎప్పుడు లేస్తారు?
Oh God, don't even ask. I really love to sleep, and I need to sleep, but my mom and I can't sleep for more than 4-5 hours a day, and
you don't get tired?
I do get tired, so that's why that's why I made lifestyle changes. I'm still in the process of making it, and I'm like everyone else. I know all what I have to do, but I don't implement it. So that's why it's a journey, and all these lifestyle changes are a journey, and you have to keep reminding yourself of it.
బట్ ఈ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ చేంజెస్ తీసుకురావాలి, ఇదంతా మార్పు రావాలి అన్నది ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఆలోచన వచ్చింది మీ నుంచే వచ్చింది కదా?
Correct, yes. This came from me completely. Because I'll tell you, I was with the best of dietitians, best of nutritionists, everyone, best of everything possible, best supplements. I was in America, in London, but then I took it upon myself and realized that a lifestyle change is all in the mind. It's no more about dietitians and fitness experts. It's all about mindful wellness. And mindful wellness, if your mind is strong, you can definitely conquer the world. I never believed it. At my age, I'm not supposed to be preaching like this, but it's actually true. So Charan and I together, we went and did Deepak Chopra's course. Charan and I love listening to Jaggi Vasudev. And we really follow these things. We read a lot of books on this. So it's really nice for us. And once we've realized that it's all in the mind, we make sure that we are strong-willed and strong-minded in actually implementing these things.
వెర్ యూ వెరీ స్ట్రెస్ఫుల్ ఎట్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం? అంటే మీరు బాగా ఒబీస్డ్గా ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఒక పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో, చాలా ఊబకాయంతో, అది ఎలా బీట్ చేయాలి అని రకరకాలుగా ప్రయత్నాలు చేసి.
See, I was a very happy person. So I wasn't stressed, but I had different sorts of stresses, It wasn't the stress of, I was in America at that time, when I was my fattest, I was in America. And it was I put on that weight because I couldn't control myself. Because I was eating so much, because I was missing my family and all that. But then I overcame it, because it was in the mind. It's not stress.
This was at what time?
And I don't believe in, I was about 18-19 at that age. And I don't believe in stress, because I feel stress can be overcome. You can overcome stress. There is nothing that you cannot overcome in life.
But I'm sure at that point of time, మిమ్మల్ని చూసి చాలామంది హేళన చేసి ఉంటారు, ఏడిపించుంటారు. అదన్నా స్ట్రెస్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అందరు నన్ను వెక్కిరిస్తున్నారు, ఏడిపిస్తున్నారు, వెయిట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
I never let it affect me. Never ever. I was a very strong person. I am a strong person, and if you see, I will never let anything shake me, because those are my values, and that's what I was made out of. When I got married, a lot of people said, oh, look, she's chubby. I cared two hoots. Yes, it was a bit hurtful and all that, but then that's their opinion. That's their opinion. And it's about what I am and what I believe in, and the people that love me and are around me. Now their opinion matters to me. If my loved ones feel that I need to change something, I will go to the T to make sure that it's done, because they matter to me.
అలాంటివి ఏమైనా గుర్తున్నాయా మీకు? మీ లవ్డ్ వన్స్ మిమ్మల్ని ఫలానాది మార్చుకో ఉపాసన, ఇది మార్చుకో, ఇలా ఉండు అని ఏమన్నా చెప్పారా మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా?
So my mother told me to meditate a bit, to to study different things, not only study your education, do different things. My grandmother told me to learn cooking, so I did that, and then now I enjoy it now. That's my stress busting thing.
ఇందాక మీరు ఒక మాట అన్నారు, ఎవరి మాటలు ఎవరు ఏం చెప్పినా ఎవరి క్రిటిసిజమ్స్ నన్ను ఎఫెక్ట్ చేయవు అని. మీకు గుర్తు?
No, it does affect me. It does affect me, but I'm strong enough to actually cut it off,
Okay.
I know how to deal with it now.
ఎందుకంటే బిఫోర్ మ్యారేజ్ వేరు, ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్ వేరు. ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్ యు ఆర్ మ్యారీడ్ ఇన్ టు అ ఫిల్మ్ ఫ్యామిలీ, సో ఆబ్వియస్గా ఫోకస్ అంతా మీ మీద ఉంటుంది, ద పాపరాజీ, ద మీడియా, ద ఫోకస్. అంటే ఎర్లియర్ కూడా ఉండుండొచ్చు, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్, ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారింగ్ రామ్ చరణ్.
That's why Charan and his family have been very supportive, and I can't thank them enough. And Charan has always been beside me, and he's always sheltered me correctly. And even from his boy to his driver, everyone has taken so much good care of me. I mean, I couldn't
Really?
ask for more. Yeah.
Huh.
They said they're like so protective of me. It actually brings tears to my eyes sometimes. It's really sweet.
బట్ ఆ టైంలో మీరు అన్నట్టు సోషల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ సైట్స్లో, ఫేస్బుక్లో, అన్ని చోట్ల ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ రకరకాలుగా మిమ్మల్ని క్రిటిసైజ్ చేశారు. మీరు ఇందాక అన్నారు ఒక లైన్ మీరు చెప్పారు, బట్ ఇంకా రకరకాలు చాలా చాలా రాసేశారు. అవన్నీ మీ దృష్టికి వచ్చి ఉంటాయి.
No, I actually didn't read it, because I'm still technically challenged. I'm still learning. I just recently, maybe a week ago, started my official accounts, because people were like, it's high time you get it, because they were using my accounts to speak about something that I didn't even say. And I'm traveling half the time, and news spreads in milliseconds. And if I'm on a flight, on a 9-hour flight where I can't access my phone, I can't even respond. So then the damage is already done. So I said, okay, fine, these are my official accounts.
బట్ ఉపాసన మీ దృష్టికి అయితే తీసుకొస్తారు కదా, ఉపాసన పలానా సైట్లో ఇలా వచ్చింది, పలానా పేపర్లో అలా వచ్చింది.
You know what? My team is they're also very protective of me. If there's something bad, they'll just let it go.
Okay.
They don't tell me unless it's really serious. Then such things. And I've also built my, thing to become strong.
ఓకే. అయితే నేను ఒక జర్నలిస్ట్గా ఐ కీప్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆల్ ది సోషల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ సైట్స్, న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, టెలివిజన్స్. కాబట్టి నేను ఒక 3 విషయాలు, మీ గురించి వచ్చిన 3 విషయాలు మీ దృష్టికి తీసుకురాదలుచుకున్నాను. దాని గురించి మీరు ఎలా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారో ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు నో. వన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ మీ మ్యారేజ్ అయ్యాక, వాట్ ఈజ్ షీ సో చబ్బీ, షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ సూటబుల్, షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద రైట్ బ్రైడ్, ఇలాంటి కొన్ని లైన్స్ వచ్చాయి.
Well, I'm so happy that I'm not suitable. That means a lot of girls are, my husband has a lot of girl fans and they want the best for him. So which is amazing, which is nice. I take it as a compliment now. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
The second thing ఏంటంటే, ఉపాసన రామ్ చరణ్ కి పిల్లలు ఎప్పుడు పుడుతున్నారు?
Oh my
ఇంకో
God.
ఇయర్ పుడుతున్నారు. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్.
One second, please. I've spent a lot of time losing weight. I don't want to sit and put it back on right now. And we're still young. And I have the whole of Apollo behind me. Whenever I want to have a child, I will have a child. I mean, that's our personal choice, and then we'll do it later. And I don't believe in, showcasing to the world. That's our personal thing. Some things need to be kept personal, so we just keep it with us.
బట్ ఉపాసన, ఐ ఆల్సో హర్డ్ మీకు ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ, చైల్డ్ బర్త్ అంటే భయం అంట కదా?
Yeah, I'm very scared.
ఎందుకు?
I just told you, I spent so much time losing weight. I don't want to put it back. No. The other thing is, if you can see, my house is not ready yet. It's under construction, so I need that. And I'm a very organized planner, so I need everything to be planned. I need to have, Charan with me for some time. Then I want things a certain way. So I want to plan everything and then take it forward.
సో మధ్యలో ఒక 1 year బ్యాక్ శరణ్, ఉపాసన డివోర్స్ అయిపోయింది,
Oh
విడాకులు
God.
తీసుకున్నారు. అది కూడా వచ్చేసింది.
Oh my God. Okay, we are like every other normal couple. Uh, we are best of friends, and I don't know how this news goes out. I mean, why would I get a divorce, and why would we get a divorce? And if we did get a divorce, we are strong enough people to bring it out, you know, by ourselves to the media. We don't need anyone else. We don't need to leak information or anything like that. Please, we are very open about our.
బట్ ఉపాసన రామ్ చరణ్ మాత్రం ఒక సందర్భంలో చెప్పారు, దీనికి క్లారిఫికేషన్ ఇచ్చారు, సేమ్ మీరు అన్నట్లే. మాకేమన్నా అయితే మేము చెప్తాం కదా, మీరు అందరూ ఎందుకు ఏది పడుతుంది రాసేస్తారు అని.
Yeah, it's true. Why would we like do anything like that?
సో ఇట్ రియలీ డజంట్ ఎఫెక్ట్ యూ ఈవెన్ అ బిట్?
Unfortunately, I didn't hear about it. You know, I was traveling. People can write what they want to. Now I don't even, you know, acknowledge it or whatever. So that's fine, and I don't want to put more light on it because obviously it's not true.
బట్ ఉపాసన, వాట్ యూ థింక్ ఈస్ గుడ్ ఇన్ అ రిలేషన్షిప్? అంటే ఒక బంధం బలపడాలి, మంచిగా ఉండాలి అంటే అఫ్ కోర్స్.
See, for women, it's about work-life balance. And I've learned that from my aunts. Your work and your life have to be balanced. There is a boundary and a barrier that you have to draw because you play so many roles. So I think that's important.
బట్ జనరల్గా ఇలాంటివి అంటే ఎస్పెషలీ యువర్ రామ్ చరణ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ కాబట్టి ఎవ్రీ డే యూ కీప్ హియరింగ్ హీ గెటింగ్ హుక్ టు సంబడి ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్, సమ్ రూమర్, సమ్
I don't care. And I don't listen to all that stuff. I love my husband, he loves me, and that's what matters.
వాట్ యూ లైక్ ఇన్ హిమ్?
What do I like in him? I mean, I'll ask you, what do you like in your husband? I'm like,
బట్ దే షుడ్ ఏదో ఒక
see, we're
అద్భుతమైన
known.
పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా.
Yeah, there's so many things about him that are really nice. I'm sure the whole world knows. You know, I should be asking people what is nice about Ram Charan now, you know, in his next films, and then I'll get to know more. You people have known him longer than I have
Yes.
in films.
Upasana, we'll talk something
And
about
whatever with my husband is personal for me. I am not going to discuss anything about him.
corporate hospitals. They suck the blood, they take so much of money, they're so commercial, they're so expensive. ఇలాంటి మాటలు మనం రెగ్యులర్గా వింటూ ఉంటాం, పేపర్లలో కూడా చాలా ఆఫెన్గా వస్తుంటాయి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్ వన్ హాస్పిటల్, సో ఎనీ కార్పొరేట్ హాస్పిటల్.
It's so not true. And I don't believe in that, because if you do that, then how will people have trust in the doctors? You anyways have to give your life to them, you know, in case of do or die, you have to give your life to them. Why, you know, not trust them completely? Because I feel that, you know, if you give out positivity to the doctor, the chances of of the patient surviving are much higher, and the outcomes being better are much higher. So positivity, chanting, that's what we do. That's why Amama, in every hospital of ours, every floor you'll definitely see some murti or the other, or you'll see a temple in all our hospitals, because she believes in putting positive energy out. And you have to put in positive energy. If you are not positive, if you don't give the doctor the confidence saying that, doctor, go ahead now, chalo, you can actually save someone, you know, it also encourages him. Your outcomes can be better.
ఎంత పీపుల్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ హాస్పిటల్ అపోలో, నాకు తెలుసుకోవాలండి. ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంది
See, from my eyes, it is definitely people friendly. Now you should hear it from the other people's, you know, eyes.
అంటే అలా కాదు నేను అనేది. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్, లోవర్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్, అండ్ ఈవెన్ బిలో పావర్టీ లైన్.
Well, we have a 100-bed free hospital in Hyderabad. Come and look at us there. You know, and there are a lot of people. I try to go to the grassroots levels and help as much as possible. And I feel that we are, as I said, everyone has a very soft heart in our organization. So come and experience it. Not as a patient, I don't want you coming there, but come and experience it there.
బట్ ఉపాసన మీరు చాలా చారిటీ చేస్తారని విన్నాను నేను. చాలా మంది పిల్లల్ని, మహిళల్ని రకరకాలుగా.
I don't like the word charity. Okay. Charity is not a good word that I like to
Service?
use. It's not even fine, you can call it service, but you know, I feel a lot of good work, positivity is a better word to use rather than say charity.
బట్ ఏమేం చేస్తుంటారు మచ్చుకి కొన్ని ఏమైనా అంటే?
See, I feel it's about the personality you are, you know, and you become. You know, any incident can. I'm not only stuck to one. So we tied up with WWF. I love animals and tigers, but you know what happens is nobody is there to take care of the forest rangers. So the Apollo Foundation tied up to take care of forest rangers. You know, because in the places where the tigers are, some people get pawed by the tigers. Fine, they'll give you basic first aid, but you know, it can, for anything major, they are brought into any of our hospitals and we can take care of them. So I take Amla as inspiration, and then I said, you know, I'll adopt all your. She didn't have enough place in Blue Cross, so I said I'll adopt your vegetarian animals. So my dad's like howling, but anyways, on our farm, it eats all the cows, donkeys. I had a camel, I had a lame horse. All these guys come and graze on our farm. Well, it's nice. I love it.
So how many animals you have now?
About 28
Oh,
or more. Yeah, 28.
I heard మీ ఇంట్లో కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 20-30 కుక్కలు ఉన్నాయంట, నిజమేనా?
Sorry, I have only 6 dogs.
6 dogs.
I have 6 dogs and I have a horse. And
You
2
have a horse?
ducks. Yeah.
Okay, puny.
Pony,
Small one.
Small one, yeah.
Okay.
She's amazing. She's my life.
హార్స్ ని ఇంట్లో పెట్టుకొని మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Yeah, she just
ఏం చేస్తారు? What do you do with that horse? How do you?
nothing. She's such a beautiful animal. What she does is when she hears my voice, she actually neighs and she comes close to me. So it's really amazing.
So what else you do? What else you do for children? Child care.
Well, there's something that I really want to work on, which is getting rid of chubby city. It's called childhood obesity, because I don't think chubby cheeks are cute anymore. You know,
They're not.
They're really not, because you know that's a lifestyle that you need to change when you are young. Otherwise, it'll affect you later.
చైల్డ్ ఒబేసిటీతో పాటు చైల్డ్ డయాబెటీస్ కూడా ఉంది ఉపాసన.
Everything starts with an unhealthy lifestyle, and you know, all these problems can be solved if the parents and the children start making correct lifestyle changes early. And so, you know, I feel annoyed when people get lifestyle diseases, because it's everything. Cancer is conquerable. Diabetes is because of your own, not your unhealthy habits. So sometimes these things just annoy me.
కానీ మీరేమైనా సజెస్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారా జనరల్గా? అంటే చిన్న పిల్లలు ఒబేసిటీ పోవాలన్నా
Move, get up and move. Don't sit in front of the TV, iPad, phone. Move, move, move and move. That's it. Just move.
ఓకే.
And that'll help you. And don't eat junk. Ghar ka khana is so good for you. And mothers, please don't fill your food. Don't give them puri every day. That's really ridiculous. No, I can't even look at puri. I feel like
తిని లావైపోయారు అప్పుడు.
no puris for me. You know, the thing is that I used to love annam and pappu so much. I could eat so much of it. Now I've like, it's still my indulgent food, but I eat it in minimal quantities.
But
You have to fix your quantities. You cannot overeat. You need to fix your quantities. Your stomach is this size. Can't eat this much. And it's all in the mind.
సో మీ పెద్దమ్మ, మీ పిన్ని, మీ పెద్దమ్మలో మీ పిన్ని, యువర్ మదర్ ఇస్ థర్డ్, నో?
Yeah, my mother is
సో మీ ఇద్దరు పెద్దమ్మలు, మీ పిన్ని, వీళ్ళ ముగ్గురులో మీకు ఎవరు చాలా క్లోజ్? ఎవరి నుంచి?
See, Sangeeta Chini is, she's in Hyderabad, so I'm the closest to her.
Okay.
Our offices are next to each other. She's the one who mentored me, and she's the one who's helped me through so many things in life, you know. She's always been there for me throughout. Let it be when I hated college, when, you know, I needed help with marrying Charan, when anything, she was always there for me. She always stood by me, and that's why I love her so much. It's not that I don't love my other aunts. They're also a source of inspiration, but they live in Chennai, so I don't see them so much.
సో మీ కజిన్స్ అందరూ మొత్తం 10 మంది టోటల్గా, మీరందరూ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ యూ.
Yeah.
సో అందరూ అపోలోతోని బైండ్ అయి ఉన్నారా, లేకపోతే
Right now only the girls.
Okay, yeah, girls
Yeah,
covering
my sister is taking care of the pharmacy division, all the new products that are coming out, and she's tied up with Holland and Barrett to bring all those, it's a London company, to bring all their vitamins to India. I'm taking care of wellness and CSR. My other cousin Sindhuri, she is the CEO of the southern region. Okay. So she handles all the hospitals for the southern region. And Anandit, Sangeeta Chini's son now, is launching a new product it's a healthcare IT product that's going to rock the boat in the whole.
What about the other boys and girls?
So the other boys and girls are doing something. There are more girls. There are only 3 girls.
Okay.
All the other boys. Some are in college, and the others are working with Apollo, not with Apollo, but they are doing other businesses, their father's businesses or other businesses that they've started, and so on.
How about being the daughter-in-law of మెగా ఫ్యామిలీ? అది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఒక సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీతో మొత్తం మీరు ఇంకా మమేకం అయిపోవాలి అంటే డే టు డే లైఫ్లో చరణ్ ఆయన సినిమాలు డైరెక్టర్లు ఏం సినిమాలు చేస్తున్నారు ఇంకేం చేయబోతున్నారు?
They're all very sweet. They're really, really sweet.
Okay.
And you know, they've all treated me so well that I can't thank them enough. It's like I was an outsider, and they've all taken care of me so well when I came into the industry as Charan's wife. That you know, they've all been very caring, very compassionate. It's very sweet. They're all very, very, very nice people, and it's their industry is also like one big family. So, you know, it was very nice to see that same culture happening here. Yes, they are more emotional and more this thing in their films because they are actors and, you know, directors and producers, and they have a bond for so long. So, you know, that was also really nice to see in their industry.
What is it that you really, really admire in మీ మామగారు?
Well, he's a very, very, very kind-hearted human being. I mean, he's really, though he's achieved so much, he is very, very kind and a very, very gentle, nice human being. And my husband's on the way of becoming just like that, which is very kind. And I think that's a quality that really, really, you know, people that are next to him will know.
బయట ప్రపంచానికి చరణ్ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ సోబర్ సైలెంట్
No.
రిజర్వ్డ్ పర్సన్.
Really?
యా
To me, he's the most fun person.
బట్ మోస్ట్ ఫన్ పర్సన్ అని ఉపాసన చాలా సందర్భాల్లో చెప్పారు, చాలా మందికి చెప్పారు.
His sense of humor is amazing.
ఓకే.
Yeah, and that's why I can discuss business with Charan, and he will give me another perspective on business, the things that I won't even have thought of. So he's so savvy and so like well read, and it's amazing.
సో whenever you both are together, అంటే జనరల్ టాక్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి, వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండ్ టాక్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఇష్యూ వాట్ ఎవర్, మదర్ ఇన్ లా, ఫాదర్ ఇన్ లా, ఫాదర్ మదర్ సిస్టర్ బ్రదర్, బట్ అదర్ దెన్ దాట్ మీరు అన్నట్టు బిజినెస్ ఇష్యూస్ కాకుండా వాట్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ కామన్ బిట్వీన్ యూ బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ? మీ ఇద్దరు ఎక్కువగా కామన్గా డిస్కస్ చేసే పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి, ఇష్యూస్ ఏంటి, మ్యాటర్స్ ఏంటి?
Well, we speak about the economy, we speak about the country's development.
Really?
Yeah, we speak about books that we like. We watch a lot of films in languages that we don't understand. So we speak about art, we speak about food, we speak about cultures. So that's what our topics are mainly.
మీ ఇద్దరు కలిసి వర్కౌట్స్ చేస్తారంటగా whenever you're in Hyderabad. Workout is very important thing, I believe.
I hate working out. I absolutely hate it. For me, it's torture. But when I see Charan working out 2-3 times a day, I have to push myself to get to the gym. I hate it. You know, like I do not like to work out. But then I have to do it. Otherwise, you know, it's like, if you ask me, I can just laze.
You say that you're a lazy person. బట్ నాకు అలా కనిపించట్లేదు. నాకే కాదు, ఎవరికి కనిపించదు. మీరు చెప్తున్నారు అలా ఊరికి కదా?
No. I can be. If I really want to, I can be.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not going down that path.
ఇంకొక 2-3 క్వశ్చన్స్, చాలా చాలా నార్మల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను, ఏమీ లేదు. అపోలోలో ఇంకా ఏమేం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు ఉపాసన?
Well, it's about adapting to the future. And about adapting to what you know, the future holds for us, and new problems that could come in future, like I mentioned, sleep, you know. So that's something we have to keep on doing research and figuring it out, because the human body is such that it's evolving more and more and more, and we have to be ready to brace it for the future. So that's what, and this thing will continuously go on, and we have a bunch of think tanks in our system that will gear us up for tomorrow.
What is it that is very important for anybody in life? ఒక వ్యక్తి తను హ్యాపీగా, సుఖంగా, సంతోషంగా ఉండాలి అంటే ఏంటి ఇంపార్టెంట్?
Conquer your mind. No, it's about what you want at that point. If your mind tells you, okay, this is what you need right now, do that, because you will achieve it then. If you're not ready to do it, your mind won't let you do it. So that's why you need to conquer it and be ready. And that's when you will achieve what you want.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
Thanks a lot
Thank
for giving
you.
such long time for me.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Sai Kripa, Strength Coach. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And more videos, please subscribe to iDream Media.
Hi, I'm Sirisha Reddy, fashion designer. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ గెటప్ శ్రీను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు iDream Media.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు. మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.